What if you could make your car's interior look brand new in just 15 minutes? Automobile dashing away. In this video, we reveal the top 5 car steam cleaners of 2025, tested on years of built-up dirt, stains, and even pet hair. Wait till you see what number 2 can do. All purchase links are in the description. Let's deep clean. Number 1. Wagner Spraytech 915E. The Spraytech 915E by Wagner is one of the most popular steamers on the market with about 11,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. I've actually owned this particular steamer for a few years, and it has been a helpful tool in a range of projects. It served me just as well sanitizing a used couch as it did in cleaning up the carpets and removing window tints from my old Jag. The 915E includes an assortment of 18 attachments, including microfiber pads, extenders, and nozzles for reaching less accessible spaces. Spraytech claims that the 915E will produce steam that reaches temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and provide about 40 minutes of continuous cleaning with one fill-up of the 40-ounce tank. In my experience, these numbers sound pretty accurate, although I haven't pulled out my thermometer and stopwatch. That said, using the steamer for extended periods of time does sometimes result in the machine needing a few minutes to build up steam. Number 2. Mytee S300H Tempo Heated Extractor. Steam cleaners can sometimes leave your upholstery damp, but an extractor pulls the water out of carpets and upholstery, leaving them cleaner than steam alone. What makes the S300H from Mytee great is that you get the benefits that heat brings while being able to pull any excess moisture out of seats or carpets. It can hold up to a gallon of water, which it can heat to an impressive 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and has a fairly lengthy power cord, which is helpful around the garage. The vacuum function of this machine separates it from the pack, and it's a good one too, producing 85 inches of water lift. If you're serious about getting the cabin of your car or truck clean, this is the right machine, but it'll cost you. Number 3. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe. The MC1385 offers up some seriously respectable specs relative to the competition. It can heat up to a maximum of 64 ounces of water to over 212 degrees Fahrenheit in under 12 minutes and provide up to 120 minutes of continuous steam. It can generate an impressive 58 psi of pressure thanks to its 1,500 watts of power. With all of this in mind, the MC1385 is a great machine for all sorts of jobs, particularly those of an automotive nature. 2 hours of continuous steam and the high pressure it produces make it great for cleaning engine bays and undercarriages. On top of its respectable specs, the MC1385 comes with 23 accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and even a storage bag that McCulloch describes as swanky. Topping it all off, you get a 2-year warranty and customer support, courtesy of McCulloch's US-based support team. Number 4. Vapamore MR100 Primo. This steamer from Vapamore came onto my radar thanks to the good folks over at Griot's Garage, who produce and sell some of the best products out there for auto detailing. Even having received the endorsement of a serious car care brand, the MR100 more than stands on its own as a solid machine. It offers a 54-ounce tank and up to an hour of continuous steam at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine includes 20 attachments like brushes and extenders so you can tackle a variety of jobs. What separates the MR100 from the pack is its impressive lifetime manufacturer warranty. Vapamore also offers US-based phone and email support, with replacement parts for your machine ready to order. Number 5. Dupray Neat. Dupray is an industry leader in the home steam cleaner segment. Its machines are among the most popular and have garnered thousands of positive reviews on Amazon. The Neat Steam is Dupray's entry-level machine, but this could easily be a mid-level machine for a lesser brand. The specs are all there: a 54-ounce tank, 1,500 watts of power, an 8-minute warm-up time, 50 minutes of continuous steam, and a maximum temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest on our list. Depending on what jobs you plan to tackle, the extra heat may be just the thing you need. So, which steam cleaner would you trust to revive your car's interior? Let me know in the comments. If this video saved you from expensive detailing bills, smash that like button, share it with a car-loving friend, and subscribe for more genius cleaning hacks. See you in the next one, where we expose cleaning products that are a total waste of money.